Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can craft a simple torch within your game. So let's get started right away. In order to craft a simple torch so that you can navigate and find your way during night, you will need to use a simple torch. In order to do this, you are required to collect 1 stick and 9 straws. The sticks can be found anywhere laying on the ground. And in order to find straws, you will need to look along river banks. When you run across the reed plants, then you can collect straws from them. Once you have collected enough straws, you can go into the crafting menu by tapping Q. And then from the handcrafting option, just go ahead and select Simple Torch. This will now craft the simple torch, and now you can use the torch by pressing the F button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the simple torch within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.